What are we making?
Soup.
Soup? We're making double lentil soup. So we're gonna be using red lentils,
And butter.
a little bit of butter to saute the garlic and the onions.
And garlic. And we're going to use onions.
Okay. And what are these? These are sprouted lentils that we have sprouted, like, when was that? Like a couple of weeks ago?
No, 100 weeks ago.
100 weeks ago. So these are ready to go. We need to wash this, guys. But first, I think let's chop this guy and make sure.
You're gonna cry.
Careful with the knife, okay? Hands not close to the knife.
Whoa, look at inside.
Yeah, I'm using a shallot onion. I think this one is gonna make me cry.
Why?
Because I can smell it. Guys,
Yes.
I don't know if I'm ready to cry on camera. Can you feel it, Audrey?
No?
You can?
Okay, I can.
Oh, a little bit. Alright, let's go as fast as we can. Oh my gosh. Careful, stay away from the knife, okay?
You're gonna cry now?
No, I think this one is much better. The other one was like pretty intense. And now we're gonna use.
Okay, I can.
You're gonna cry.
I can.
You feeling it?
Garlic is okay.
Garlic won't make you cry. Okay. We're gonna use. How many do you want to use of this one?
100.
100. Let's go with 3.
Can I put them in?
You can put them in, but don't touch them until I'm done. Actually, you know what? We have to cut the inside. It's supposed to help digestion. See this little guy here? This green guy, that eventually, that's the part that sprouts. That goes out. It's a little green. You can actually plant this.
Can I touch this?
Hold on, let me take this part away. Out. I don't know why I'm slouching. I need to work on my ballerina pose. Took. And the last one. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter and a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna saute. Should we put a little bit of curry powder? What do you think? Yeah? Go for it. Just a little bit. Great job. We have this butter over here. I'm gonna spray with a little bit of avocado oil. Make sure that because they have different smoking points, so we add a little bit of that. A little bit of butter, like a tablespoon of butter. And now, careful with the knife. I'll put it here for 1 second to brown. Just a second.
Now what will I do? So this is our
Now we're gonna put a little bit of salt. Give me a hand. Here we go. Put it in. All in. Smell good?
better than the onions smell.
Just gonna put like around half a cup, not more.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe let's just go for a cup. Put in. Yay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Now we're going to add a little bit of broth. I have here the back to life broth. A little bit. Excuse me.
Whoa.
We don't want the onions to burn. Now we are going to add our sprouted. Again.
Can I put them?
Yeah, you can put them in. Hold on, let me move this. sprouting your lentils, especially the brown, like the bigger lentils, it's better for your digestion because it breaks down the phytic acid. And we're gonna add around two cups of sprouted lentils. The cool thing about the sprouted lentils is that you sprout them and then you can put them in the freezer and take them out whenever you need them. And at the end, we're gonna add more broth and the spinach. Safety? Safety first in the kitchen, absolutely. We're gonna put the rest of our broth. And this is maybe about 4 cups. Make sure that it covers all the lentils. And now we're gonna add our spinach for our veggie extra. Maybe 2 cups of spinach. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then simmer for at least 30 minutes. And then it's your choice whether you want to eat it as is, or we can put it in a blender, which that's what we do at home. We put it in a blender and it becomes more of a cream. And we eat that. What we're gonna eat that? Ooh, we're gonna make crunchy broccoli with that. No, what did you? What did you do?
I wanted to test.
You wanted to test it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring it to a boil and then simmer for 30 minutes and then we're gonna blend it. All right, we're 20 minutes in and you can see how much the lentils have absorbed. So if you need a little bit of extra water, don't be afraid, or add more broth, but trust yourself, trust your gut. I added an extra cup of water. I might need one more. I promise you, I know it doesn't look good, but I can guarantee it tastes amazing. Really, really hearty soup, special for snowy days. The soup is done. And now it's your choice whether you eat it like this or you can blend it. We're gonna blend it. We're gonna blend the soup? We're gonna blend the soup?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We always do.
Are you ready for the soup?
Me?
Yeah.
I have to say
Yeah. Are you ready for the soup or not?
yes.